Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in Sarasota, Florida. Today we're in Englewood, Florida looking at the Layton Grande. Let's go inside and take a look. 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, about 4,000 square feet under air. This one also has a custom pool. Let's go inside and take a look. Double entry front door, opening up. Let's go inside. So over to the right, you do have our first guest bedroom with ensuite. Going into the guest bedroom. Love the big windows, brings in plenty of natural light. Again, let's take a look at the guest bedroom. Turning back around, there's your closet space right over here towards the back. So this is a full ensuite, so you do have a guest bath right over here. You do a full walk-in tiled shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. Leaving your guest bedroom. On the other side, you do have the staircase going up to the second story. We'll go up there in a little bit. First thing I also noticed is going to be your dedicated office and or den. Again, double windows brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around, here is our main floor plan. So here's your dedicated dining. Get right off the dining, you have a beautiful large living space. Off your living space, you do have a custom kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas cooktop. Let's go to the kitchen. Again, turning back around, there's your custom gas cooktop. Beautiful large island. Another view of the living space. You also have huge sliding glass doors going out to your indoor-outdoor entertaining area. Full summer kitchen. And of course, you do have a pool, hot tub, and a sun shelf with a water feature. You also have a half bath out here for your guest. Turning back around, another view of your kitchen. Again, beautiful custom kitchen. Turning back around, you give a little breakfast nook right off the kitchen. And then turning around, let's go into the owner bedroom. So owner bedroom will be on the first floor. Again, going into the owner bedroom, king size bed for size reference. 4 large windows brings in plenty of natural light into your owner bed. Let's go into the owner bath. So here's your owner bath over here, double vanities, and then turning around a nice large walk-in tiled shower. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go into your custom closet. So here is your custom closet right over here. Again, absolutely beautiful. Turning back around, going back through the owner bathroom into the owner bedroom. Let's do another view of your outdoor entertaining space. And of course, you can always give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. Here's a view of the outdoor entertaining space. Again, absolutely beautiful. Going back inside, let's find one of our last guest bedrooms on the first floor, and then we'll go upstairs to the second floor. So walking back over here, you do have one more guest bedroom. So here's our last guest bedroom on the first floor. This will be towards the front side of the house. Right next door, you do have a full guest bath. That's going to be your entry into the house from the garage. And then here's your dedicated laundry. Okay, guys, let's go upstairs and take a look at your guest bedroom and bonus space on the second floor. Going upstairs. And keep in mind, you can also do this floor plan without the second story. So if you don't need a bonus living room and additional guest bedroom, you can always do the same floor plan on a single story. So going to the second floor, this will be your additional living space. But adding the second story does give you an additional 1,000 square feet on the floor plan. So if you do need more square footage, this definitely could be an option for you. Here is your extra storage on the second floor. And here is your guest bedroom. Turning back around. Full guest bath, shower tub combo, tile all the way to the ceiling. Okay, guys, let's go back downstairs. Another view of the entryway. Turning back around, another view of the main living space on the second floor. And let's go downstairs. And again, if you want any more details on this floor plan or any other properties in Florida, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575. Let's go outside and take a look at the pool area once more. And like I mentioned, 941-303-9575. Let's find your new home just 3 miles to the beach.